In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use free Pandadoc. Once you are logged into Pandadoc, look to the top right corner of your dashboard. You will see a green button labeled Create with a plus sign. Click that button to start a new document workflow. From the options that appear, select Upload. This is the quickest way to use Pandadoc for free when you already have a document prepared. Now choose the file you want to send. Pandadoc supports common formats like PDF, Word documents, and image files. After you select your file, wait a moment for it to upload and open in the editor. If your file has multiple pages, make sure they all loaded correctly before moving on. Next, go to the right side of the screen and click Add Recipients. This tells Pandadoc who needs to sign or fill out the document. Enter the recipient details for the signer, including their name and email address. Be careful to type the email correctly, because this is where Pandadoc will send the signing link. If you are sending to more than one person, confirm the signer roles are set the way you want before you continue. Now it is time to add the fields that the signer will interact with. On the right sidebar, find the signature field. Click and drag it onto the document, then drop it exactly where the signature should appear. Take a second to align it neatly with any signature line or label on the page, so it looks professional and is easy to understand. If your document needs more information, drag in additional fields from the same sidebar. For example, you can add a date field for signing date, or a text field for names, addresses, or other details. Place each field where it belongs on the document, and make sure nothing overlaps important text. When you are satisfied with the placement of your fields, go back to the top right and click Send. Review the send details briefly, then choose Send via email to finish. Pandadoc will email the recipient with instructions to open, complete, and sign the document online. That covers everything you need to know.